This is the back of a Suzuki Df140A. I believe my engine was a 2017. These are the spark plugs that I bought to replace the plugs in there right now. I noticed the other day it wasn't well, maybe it might have been misfiring a little bit, but I think, you know, these plugs have been in here for quite some time. I probably should have changed them a while ago. But the plug that we're replacing it with is a BK Bravo Kilo Romeo 6 Echo, so BKR6E, and the gap is a 0.7 to 0.8 millimeter. I checked them all, and they're in that range. They all came out of the package in that range. So to get to the spark plugs, you're gonna need to get this off. If I can get it. There we go. See that? So it's a long chute in there. To get it out, you're gonna need an extension on your ratchet. Oh, and this is a 5/8 inch socket. I think I'm on it. I'm on it. Oh, and you know, sometimes the good thing about this socket is it actually has a piece of rubber in there that grips. So you probably can't see it, but I'm going to try to show you anyway. There's rubber in there, so it grips around the outside here. Therefore, it's a long way in there, right? So to pull it out, you've got a good grasp on it to pull it out. You might need a magnet if you don't have a socket with a little piece of rubber in there that's built for a spark plug. But in my case, I did. Now check this out. Look how black this thing is. I hope it can see it. Let me see. Get a little closer, because I really want you to see this. That is dirty. I mean, it's just like old and messed up. I should have changed these a long time ago. I'm at 400 hours, and I'm just now changing them. Ooh, can't believe you did that, right? Well, she's gonna be firing on all cylinders now, huh? Come on. Alright. And there is a torque spec to put these to. I'm going to give it the old backyard torque spec. Oh, crud cutters. So, as you can see, my rubber, I didn't take it out. Wasn't thinking about it. So I'm going to take it back out, take the rubber off, and then we'll put this back in. But you can see that's the process. This is where they're located. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, here's the package. There's the number. Well, that's not the number. There's the number. Bravo Kilo Romeo 6 Echo. Spark gap is 0.7 to 0.8 millimeter. Quick and easy replacement. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll put a link in the description. I got these on Amazon and they were fairly cheap for a pack of 4 of them.